Welcome back to Umbria. I'm Danilo Romolini and today I'll be showing you this incredible property. An architectural treasure dating back to the 1300s. Fully restored and transformed into an unforgettable historical residence. Follow me. This fortress has stood over this valley in Italy's central region of Umbria since the 14th century. Today, the castle is surrounded on three sides by the original fortress walls, creating an exclusive location offering both luxury and relaxation. The property is composed externally of 4 hectares of land with olive grove and private gated parking, of which 1,500 are of garden with swimming pool and private chapel, completely surrounded by these original fully restored fortress walls. And there are 350 square meters of terraces from which you can enjoy this beautiful view, and the tower with 500 square meters of internal surface. The garden area has been restored, keeping a very simple and minimalistic style in order to maintain the traditional atmosphere of such a medieval property. It is decorated with roses and evergreen trees that bloom throughout the whole season. Just beside the garden we find this pool area where you can refresh during the summertime. By the entrance of the property we find the private chapel, which has been masterfully restored and it still boasts its original charm. By scraping off the non-original plasters, the beautiful vaulted ceilings have been brought back to light, and a good portion of a 14th century painting can be found inside, and it represents the crucifixion. Just outside the property we find a gated private parking, olive grove from which you can produce your own olive oil, a vegetable garden, and this stunning terraced mature orchard. It's really nice because throughout the whole year you can go have a walk and pick your own fruits and vegetables. Next to the garden we get to this huge terrace, which is really nice because it has a sitting area and a dining area for the summer. Another nice thing is this fresh breeze that comes from the valley. Over here there is the access from the tower and here to the kitchen. Let's go have a look. And here we are inside the kitchen. It has its own bathroom and so many beautiful finishes like this original terracotta floor. Even the furniture is original, and this beautiful kitchen with travertino marble top and handmade copper finishes. The room has really high ceilings, so it's really fresh, but it also has air conditioning. There are so many windows that allow so much light to come in, but at the same time it lets this beautiful breeze come in from the valley. And this could be your summer dining table. The property has 5 bedrooms with ensuite bathroom in total, 4 of which are in the tower, and 1 is this one with independent access without steps, so it is disabled people friendly. Let's go have a look. And this is the bedroom. It has air-conditioned, exposed stone walls, the beautiful terracotta floors, and its own bathroom. And now let's have a look at all the bedrooms inside the tower. And here we are inside the tower. Look at these beautiful, really high ceilings and these 2 windows. In fact, the tower, when it was constructed, it was positioned strategically in between 2 rivers in the intersecting point in order for the soldiers to control both valleys and protect the tower. So today we have this sitting area where you can enjoy the panoramic view. And now let's go upstairs and see the other bedrooms. We're now on the first floor, where we find this beautiful bedroom with ensuite bathroom. The ceilings are very high and the walls are very thick, so it's really fresh. Upstairs we find another bedroom with ensuite bathroom, and on the very top there is a beautiful suite with access to the top of the tower. Let's go have a look. And here we are in the master suite. It is laid out onto 2 levels. The first level with this reception area and this huge bathroom. And from these stairs we go upstairs, where we find the bedroom and the access to this 360-degree view terrace. And here we are on top of the tower. This is the best spot in the whole property, and also the 360-degree view terrace of the master suite. Up here the view is breathtaking, and I have to say, you really do feel like you're the lord of this green valley. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.